This is for everyone out there who's using RC200, 25 or 390. Everyone must be fed up of this rattling sound of this speedometer. Every time you jump into a pothole or anything, this always makes this annoying plastic noise. So I'm going to show you how you can minimize it, or what will you say, like it's an alternate you people can do, because showroom guys are not interested at all in helping you with this rattling noise. So what I've done is I took this paper, I folded it and I have taped it around. So this is the plastic, and this is the main point where it is creating the rattling noise. You might have it this side also, but in my bike it is here only. So I'll just push it upwards till the point where this thing just fits in and there's no play in the meter anymore. So after this, if you'll pop into a pothole or anything, this won't make noise. But now this thing is looking very ugly. So what you can do is either use the black tape, and what I'm going to do is I'll just paint this in black color, and I'll slide this with only minimal visuals outside so that it doesn't look bad, because my visor is clear one. So this will definitely result in very less noise of the plastic, or maybe no noise. See, as you can here see, there's no movement anymore now. I'll just paint it black and come again. I have painted this black now, and I don't think so it'll create any problem in the visuals. It's even more thicker than before. Now the part which is coming outwards, I'll cut this with the scissor, then it will be perfectly fit और फिर से कोई प्रॉब्लम भी नहीं होगी, ना दिखने में ना वैसे. एंड आई जस्ट ट्राई कि, या फिर मैं इसको ऐसे भी कर सकता हूँ, और दिस आई डोंट नो विच एवर सूट्स यू. I'd go with this way, I guess. I'll stick it here. This is looking normal. If this thing helps you, definitely drop down a like and comment down if your problem is sorted, because I'll be also checking this thing on my bike while riding it. See you in the next vlog. I hope this helped you.